CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Pecende PPD bentip bahaya kini kawai. Nomor bahaya ke fast ground. Naduh ke Nyngkong bangi ong ban Shna ngaliang jong ka government ban ngaliang jong ngalaterwa ban pensiang artificial to. Ban nrei ngaliang ke jong ka SSE ki ong ba em ngin le dau natural to. Firu pitep ya kata. Ban nrei hadian pat ki tu bamlong. Kaban pelong ba ngin le da artificial. Nrei ngarang du Nyngkong ngaladep terwa. Ong ba ngin le du artificial to. Handrai ngasutu ba bat ngisutu adin bengalai kran lang bat ki ba umlong iman nomor pin pelek lik kejing lek kai ka ba pani lek kai man ngi du natural kan katang sipang kala pra Madan. I think firu pi kata apa through your experience bila associate bat ka sports la bun snap handrai tang ka wengi ong ini kran ya kejing shisha ba katai ke Madan idon kam ban lek da cerita bat fitep baka tu ka kam ka bangi ai nakaliang ka sport cepat kila trei bat kila bun bala pendap ya tu Madan Andai mentang orang ipi ngalada propose daka do pelang artificial to. Bat kani kala ya ngani tu ipi ke kam surkar kam dai basu ong mentang memang ila ham slam dia ban propose mar mencuangi ila i no nomor beli yu baki ong le da natural to bai. Dan dai dangi mut bangin le na do mencuang tangan itu pila dam. Jadi nanti kada ki prepare na dong sedong ngi kwa ong ipi. Bat ngana kaliang jonga. Ngan penti kena. Bangan try sitam ong ipi bagi department. Ba ngi di ban yo ban siang daw artificial to. Ya ketika Madan fast ground. Sarai nalong kum nuru kum kapes bangiat mentah. Kum gejing penkre bangiat mentah. But yo kontraktor but kita company ki ong ngaladap ong ikili wanra no ketiar. Dang pun poi no uplang, dang pun poi geroba, dang pun poi ni ki san nomor bangi kwa ba masun kol ya tenda. Kamat nang ya handri kakam kanang ya no sedang no. Nomor bakam sya. Istu kwa ba kan league ka Shillong Premier League 16 kan kan kiu kan long balong ti pot mencua kata ka digi jing trang jonga nadu download ka keren kata mendai ba ong bengini le politics hakapo sports in sports there should be no politics ngam kwa ban politics kam sport ringi kwa ban le bana ka benta kecing mentoy jong kinong ile kai ki jong apo kan keri apo celak be ki jong kata ka digi jing kwa tang bang ong ipi ngidon kam bengini trilang ban sya kan dia ringa na kwa ban insya menin ngadang ya keren ni menin ngadang don meeting ni ngadang keren YouTube Ustaz ini bangin le ini adjust ya kata time nomor kadon ka tanda ka bla hot shop pergi try tapi hab kumno kan dang dap 4 dap lut mintai pilawan ban segini kan mi gejing keli habakot hab jubab mangah tendring kwa ban le biang to biang babaro kini don lang gejing stu cumut kan don ka jing ya hun lang kanang ba kanom dan kanul construction is going on say like PA Sangmas started and at the same time also this GN complex we started for renovation and upgradation. You know that I've been there. I think you are there for the inspection. But in fact, we will not compromise with the quality. That is the number one. That is number one. I've already mentioned from the beginning. Not because of what we are saying, that some damage here and there, ISBT and then boom. Not that, but before that also, earlier also, before they start the work, I've already ensured, I've already instructed my officer, my chief engineer also, to ensure that no compromise of quality. That's what I want. Because for the safety of our youth, of our people, of our sports loving people, that is very important. That is a fact. So don't worry about that. But I'll try my best. Not only to leave everything on the hands of chief engineer or officer, but by myself from time to time I'll go for inspection. And yesterday also I spoke with the commissioner and with some official also regarding that. So we have to see what we can do is the best way for the safety of our sports loving people. See, I'll tell you, I don't want to comment regarding that because you know that you have to speak with chief minister, you have to speak with some leaders. Because see, I'll tell you, ultimately we are the part and parcel of this government. But one thing, if any problem, you have seen by yourself. We went and talked with them straight away. We used to urge upon them. If we see that is not going in the right track, that we used to. So definitely for this also we have to discuss. You know that I'm not in town for the last so many days. I just came back, so I have to meet the chief minister. Till now I haven't met him, so I'll meet him some of these days to discuss this thing which we have seen, I think, by all of us.